Hey everyone, welcome back to Growing Mindset. Imagine this. Every paycheck you receive brings you closer to financial freedom instead of just covering bills and expenses. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you exactly what to do with every paycheck to start building wealth faster. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or already saving a little each month, this guide is packed with actionable steps that anyone can follow. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also share some insider tips that can supercharge your wealth-building journey. Section 1. Why managing your paycheck matters. Your paycheck isn't just income, it's your most powerful tool for creating wealth. The way you handle each paycheck determines whether you're stuck in a cycle of financial stress or on the path to financial independence. Every dollar has potential. If used wisely, even small amounts of money can grow significantly over time. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep and invest. Example, consider two people earning the same salary. One invests 10% of their paycheck every month, while the other spends it all. In 10 years, the investor could have tens of thousands saved or invested, while the spender has nothing to show. Section 2. The Paycheck Breakdown Strategy. Let's talk about how to divide your paycheck effectively. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% wants. Entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. 20% savings and investments. This is your wealth-building money. If you're serious about building wealth faster, try flipping the rule to 50-20-30, where 30% goes to savings and investments. Section 3. Automate your finances. Automation is your best friend when it comes to managing your paycheck. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments. Steps to automate. Open a high-yield savings account and schedule an automatic transfer. Set up auto pay for recurring bills. Use apps like Acorns or Wealthfront to invest small amounts regularly. Automation removes the temptation to spend money impulsively and ensures your financial goals are prioritized. Section 4. Pay yourself first. The concept of paying yourself first is a game changer. Before you pay bills or buy anything, allocate a portion of your paycheck to savings or investments. Example, if you earn $3,000 per month, set aside $300 for savings as soon as you get paid. Treat this as a non-negotiable expense. Start with as little as 5 to 10% if you can't do more. The habit matters more than the amount initially. Section 5. Eliminate debt strategically. Debt can eat away at your wealth-building efforts, so tackling it early is essential. Steps to eliminate debt. Use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. Or use the avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first to save money in the long run. Allocate 10 to 20% of your paycheck toward debt repayment until you're debt-free. Once a debt is paid off, redirect that payment amount to savings or investments. Section 6. Start investing. Early investing is the fastest way to grow your wealth over time. Even if you're starting with just $50 from each paycheck, it makes a difference. Steps to start investing. Open a brokerage account or use a robo-advisor. Focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs. Reinvest dividends to maximize compounding. Why start now? The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Section 7. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, preventing you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Steps to build an emergency fund. Start with a goal of saving $1,000. Gradually build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Use a separate high-yield savings account to keep it accessible but out of reach. Allocate at least 10% of your paycheck toward your emergency fund until it's fully funded. Section 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Resist the urge and keep your expenses stable while increasing your savings rate. Example, if you get a raise, commit to saving 50 to 70% of the additional income instead of spending it all. Section 9. Track your progress. Consistency is key, but so is tracking your progress. Regularly review your savings, investments, and financial goals. Tools to use. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. Investment tracking platforms like Personal Capital. Spreadsheets for personalized tracking. The power of small steps start today. Even if you can only save $10 or $50 from your next paycheck, it's a step in the right direction. Financial freedom is within your reach. It just takes commitment and a solid plan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.